Do you think choking kink is a thing? Welcome in. Get ready to get ready. Get ready. What the fuck are you doing? I'm choking myself with my own spit. You think you know what? Can I still fit this thing in my mouth? Oh my god! No, I think I got stuck for a second! Dude, it got stuck for a second and it fucking scared me! Drink water? Holy fuck, I'm jorculating my shit! I'm gonna start you know what? Fuck it. Dude, dude. I'm like fully upside down right now. I'm jorculating my shit hard. I'm upside down. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. Dude, if my camera was on, it would be like butthole POV. Oh my god. Dude, help. How do I even solve? I'm stuck. Oh my god. How do I even do this? Okay. This is the part. We got that already. Dude, I don't even think I can fart right now. Let me try and push. Oh man, I gotta go to the bathroom. Time for mommy ASMR time, everybody. Get back in your room and clean your fucking room now! No! Go clean your room! That's not something you can just... Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. And I burp. I'm sorry. Genuinely, can I fit all my... Hold on. I can fit all of my toes in my mouth. Rap is going good though. Having a good stream, Kiari. What were you up to today? I'm sorry. I apologize. Wait. Ugh. I hope I don't fart when I turn this up. If I fart, this would be really bad. Oh, my back! I'm gonna go the other way. Listen. Oh!